Are you geared up to revolutionize your print-on-demand business this year? Here's how you can leave your competition in the dust. Step 1. Zero in on your niche. Pinpoint a market craving your creativity, whether it's pets, fitness, or anything in between. Step 2. Unleash your design genius. Tools like Canva or Photoshop are your best pals. Remember, originality captures hearts. Moving to Step 3. Choose your platform wisely. Whether it's Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, each has its own perks. Pick your match. Step 4. Pricing is key. Set competitive yet profitable rates by scoping out your rivals. Step 5. Optimize those listings. Use punchy keywords and stunning images to make your products irresistible. Step 6. Spread the word. Social media buzz and email blasts can elevate your brand visibility exponentially. Finally, Step 7. Analyze and adapt. Keep a sharp eye on feedback and sales trends to continuously refine your strategies. Follow these steps, and you are not just playing the game, you are winning it. Stay hungry, stay foolish, and most importantly, stay on top of your game. See you at the top.